The new series of Indian currency notes capture glimpses of India's rich cultural heritage. We are already aware that in 2011, the new rupee symbol, the identity mark of the Indian rupee, was introduced. Let us begin with the structure of the rupee 10 note. The 10 rupee note consists of a motif of the Konark Sun Temple, which was built in the 13th century AD by the Eastern Ganga dynasty. The new note of 20 rupees has a motif of the Ellora caves on the rivers, which were built in between 600 to 1000 AD by the Rashtrakuta and Yadav dynasty. The 50 rupee note has a motif of Hampi with a chariot built by the Vijayangara Empire in the 14th century AD. The new note of 100 rupee has an image of Rani Ki Vav, which was built in the 11th century AD by the Solanki dynasty. The 200 rupee note has been printed with an image of Sanchi Stupa, which was built by Ashoka the Great, the ruler of the Mauryan Empire in the 3rd century BC. The 500 rupee note has a motif of Red Fort, which was built by Shah Jahan, who was the ruler of the Mughal Empire between 12 May 1639 to 6 April 1648. The 2000 rupee note has an image of Mangalyaan, which was launched by ISRO on 5th November 2013.